Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing cash flow projections and calculation of NOPAT. So let us take an example. We have a data over here. First year sales of the organization is 500 crore, which will grow at the rate of 10% per annum till 5th year. First year operating expenditure is 200 crore and which will grow at a rate of 7% per annum till 5th year. The depreciation rate is also provided to us, that is 10% DBM, that is diminishing balance method, and fixed assets of the organization stood 1000 crore. One more information that we need over here is the rate of tax. So tax rate is assumed to be 30% on the EBIT, right? So let us start calculating the NOPAT. Now here we wish to make projection for next 5 years. So first, sales. So sales for the first year which is provided in our problem is 500 crore. So we'll write 500. Sales minus my operating expenditure becomes my EBITDA, that is EBITDA, earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization. So my operating expenses, again in our problem it is given that it is 200 crore for the first year. So my EBITDA is 500 minus 200, that comes out to be 300 crore. We have to deduct. Now we will be deducting depreciation from this EBITDA. The rate of depreciation that is given over here is 10% on the fixed assets, that is on 1000 crore. So 10% of 1000 crore is 100. This is my EBIT. So my EBITDA minus my depreciation is my EBIT. And for calculating the NOPAT, the formula is EBIT into 1 minus T, that is the tax rate. So if we go by equation, my NOPAT is nothing but EBIT 1 minus T. So is equals to my EBIT into 1 minus T. T is 30%, right? So this will be my NOPAT for the first year. Now the same thing you have to calculate for next 5 years. So what we will be doing is my sales, the growth of sales is also given or mentioned in the problem, that is 10%. So this 500 will grow at the rate of 10%. This 550 again will grow at the rate of 10% and so on. So this will be the sales growth. Similarly, my operating expenses, it will also grow at the rate of 7%, which is given in our problem. So 200 will become 214 third year, fourth year and fifth year. Here the formula is already given, so this will also grow. Depreciation, now very important thing. Here the depreciation is 100. Now it is diminishing balance method and there is no additional asset that you are purchasing over here. So we can directly calculate the depreciation for next year. What you need to do is equals to this depreciation into the rate of depreciation is 10%. So we'll calculate the 90% of this amount. So 90 will be for the second year, third year, fourth year and fifth year. Let us see whether it is correct or not. First year, 1000 rupees is the fixed assets, 1000 crore. If I check 10% on this amount, it is 100. So 1000 minus 100, diminishing balance next year is, this is my next year, 10% of this will come 90, and so on. You will be so accordingly we'll calculate for next till 5th year, and you will be finding whatever we have calculated over here, the figure is same: 100, 90, 81, 72.9 and 65.61. So this is how, instead of going for this long procedure, we can directly have the depreciation calculation. Well, next is my EBIT. This I can directly take, and then NOPAT calculation. So using Excel, this template, we can very easily calculate the NOPAT. Now this is what is the standard format, or you can say this is what is the standard formula for calculating NOPAT, that is EBIT into 1 minus